Okay, going to start now. It's the time to start. My voice is reaching to you. Please inform me. Am I audible? Am I audible? Someone?
Yes, sir.
Why do you take so much time? Should respond immediately, yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Then I'm going to share the screen. My SQL screen should be visible to you, is it?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay, okay. So then, going to start. Today we are going to talk about the aggregate functions. Before proceeding to aggregate functions, I would like to execute the command that shows all the records in the product table. And because we are going to use the product table, we will have to populate the database. Use sales. This is our practice database, and it said database changed. So then select star from product. That's it. These are the records in this product table. Now we are going to apply aggregate functions on the column price, because this is the only numeric function. I had told you about the aggregate functions yesterday, but I don't think you were able to grasp. So once again I am going to explain each of them. Max column, for example, we say max of price, so it returns the maximum of the price, maximum of the column price, that is 30. Similarly, min column, column means min of price. If we say, that means we are going to get 10. Similarly, sum, then column name, we say sum price, we are going to get the sum of all the price values. Then average of the column, average price, which means we are going to get the average of all these values. Then count column, if we say count column, then the function returns all the values, the number of values in the column except null. So if I say count price, it's going to return me 5 values, it will exclude null. But count star means number of rows in the table, number of rows in the table are 6. So count price and count star are going to produce two different values. One is going to produce 5, the other one is going to produce 6. So let's apply these aggregate functions on the column price. Select max of price as max. There is no need to use the keyword as. This is for column alias max. Similarly, min of price as min, and then sum of price as sum, average of price as average, as is, when we use column aliases, as is optional, average of price as avg, then count star, count price as count of price, then count star as count star, don't write as. Okay, have a look at the results. You have sent my average. There is some syntax error somewhere at line 1. Where is the error? It says you have an error in a check manual that corresponds to right near this. I think I have forgotten to put the uh, okay, I have put this extra spaces here. So I remove this, and this time we are going to get the result. Is this known field price, PRI, known column in the field list price. We have not specified the table name. From of the table is product, and here is the result. Max value of price is 30, min value of price is 10, sum of the price values is 95, average is 19, count of price is 5, count star is 6, and those are the expected results. Look at the column headings, they are exactly the same we had defined as column aliases. Now that is the uh, aggregate functions. These are the aggregate functions. We now proceed on to another important clause which is used with select statement, that is none but the select case. That is none but select case. Select case comes in two flavors. Number one is simple select case, and number two is searched select case. So first we discuss the simple select case. You can find the details in the notes. I am going to show you how to execute each of them. I say select p code comma p name select p code p name, and then I say case price when 10, then cheap when 15, then medium when uh, 25, then expensive else others. and as price category from product. Look at the result. Okay, look at the result. What it does, the command has actually the command has actually categorized the price. If price is equals to 10, then what is the result? Cheap. If price is uh, equals to 15, then the result is medium. If price is 25, then the result is expensive. If price is none of these, then the result is others. Okay, so how the select case is executed? The case values, the case column is matched with the values given in the when clause, and the value which matches to the value of the column is categorized according to the then clause. This is how the simple case select case statement is executed. This is simple case statement because we are not having any condition in the when clause. When there is a condition in the when clause, it becomes the searched select case. We are not going to discuss the searched select case, for which the example is here. Look at this. Select p code comma p name case. When price is less than when price is less than or equal to 10 and name p name not like then cheap. Look at this statement. This time we are having a condition in the when clause. So because there is a condition in the when clause, it is a searched select case statement. Okay. Now case when price between 11 and 25, then medium. Okay, when price case cheap, then my case एक जगह मैंने I think at one place I have given an extra case will be used only once. So when price is, and here it is, when price is greater than or equal to 25 and launch date is greater than 2013 3/29. For the sake of simplicity, I am putting braces. Okay, then expensive. When price is null, remember to compare the null values, the operator is null. When price is null, then not valid. Else others. And as price category price category comma launch date from product. See how long this statement is and what it does. Line 1, price greater than 25. Price is greater than or equal to 25 and is the error. This check it. Expensive.
So you forgot to put some.
Wait a moment. What I forgot to put? Hello? Then medium when price is greater
It's
than.
a single quote, not, not like nut.
Oh, that's it. Yes, same. Well, it takes time to uh, type such a long sentence, and the lecture is being recorded. Unknown column, launch date. Okay, I think I put single quotes around the launch date. Here are the values. This has categorized the price. Okay, and all the conditions are satisfied. Look at this condition. When price is less than 10 and p name is not like nut, so it is cheap, and nail is categorized as cheap. Okay, so this is how the searched case statement is executed. In simple select case statement, we don't have any condition in when clause. However, in searched select case statement, we have a condition in the when clause. Now another command is very important from the perspective of creating the from the perspective of ordering the columns. By ordering, we mean sorting the columns in some order. The order may be ascending or descending. Have a look at this command. Select star from product ordered by order by order by p name. What do you notice? Columns p name is sorted, and if you want to change the order of sorting, then p name DESC. This is for decreasing order. Now washer is going to be listed at number 1. That's it. In the same way, you could apply the ordering on 2 columns. For example, if I say select star from product order by launch date and then price, what's going to happen? All dates will be in order. That in order, by in order I mean they will be in ascending order. Plus values, price values of the same date will also be in order. Here it is. We have three price values on the date, launch date 30th of March 2013. There are 3 prices corresponding to this, and look at them, they are in order 15, 25 and 30. So this is how the sorting could be carried out on 2 different columns. If you want prices to be appear in descending order according to a particular date, then just put a DESC before price. Launch dates will be in ascending order, however prices are going to be in prices of particular date are going to be in descending order. Look at this. Now on the date 30th, the highest price is getting listed at number 1. Okay, so this is how we can sort the 2 columns in 2 different directions. We can also order or we can conditional sort the column names. For example, select a star from product here p name equals to nut, order by p name comma p code, and then what's going to happen? All the columns having nut are going to be there in the order, while p code of them are going to be in descending order. Look at this. There is only one column which is being listed here, because only in one column p name is nut. To get it more precisely, I will change it to p name like percentage nut percentage. These are the columns now. P code are in descending order. However, the p names are, if of the same, they are going to be in order. Okay. Now the last thing is storing query results. What do we mean by storing query results? Query results could be stored in files, but that's a different concept that we will discuss later on. But for the time being, if we are saying sorting query results, it means we are going to get the results into other tables. So what do we mean by it? By this concept we mean we are going to create a new table from an existing table. Okay, see how is it done. Say for example, I want to create a table. Create table x products, x pro. I am giving the name x pro as select p code comma p name from price, sorry, from products where p description like percentage nut percentage. What is this command is going to produce? Going to produce a table name x pro, which is going to consist the columns p code and p name, and those p code and p name will be corresponding to all the records which are having this criteria, in which nut is, that means in all records where nut is appearing in product description. Let's run this command. Table sales dot product, its name is product, the name of the table is product, not products. Okay. Unknown column, okay, column name is wrong, DESC. Now have a look at this. It says records 3 duplicate 0 warning 0. It means the table x pro has been created with the criteria we had mentioned in this command. So let's select all the records from x pro and see what is there. Star from there it is. All the all the p code and p name which are having nut in their p description are there. This is how we can create another table from a given table. Okay. Similarly, we can insert records from an existing table to a new table. How is it done? We have only created three records in this xpro table. I want all the records with appropriate values of product table to be appear in the xpro table. See how I do this. Insert into xpro. And how we want to insert? Select star, not star, select p code comma p name from product, where the description not like percentage nut. What we had done earlier, we had inserted all the records whose which were having nut in their product description field. Here we have reversed the criteria. Now we are going to include or insert those records where p description is not containing nut. It means we will be getting all the records of table product in the table xpro. It says 3 records, duplicate 0, wanting 0. Let's see whether all p code and p name from product table are there or not. Select star from xpro. Look at this, all the records of all the p code and p name of product table are there in the xpro table. This is how we can insert the records from an existing table to another existing table. Okay, xpro is just a duplicate of product. It has all those columns which are already there in product. So we should think of deleting it. The command to delete a table is drop and then table name. I'm going to drop this table. This was just a practice table, so I'm going to drop it. Drop xpro and then answer. Drop table, sorry. Drop table xpro. Query OK. 0 rows affected. It means the table has been deleted. Let's see whether it has been deleted. Select star from. It says table sales.xpro doesn't exist. So that's all about today's lecture. If you want to ask something, please ask. If you want to ask anything, please switch on your audio and ask. Are you online? Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
So it means you don't have any problem. So I'm going to stop the presentation and we will be meeting in the next class day after tomorrow. Tomorrow there will be networking class and the next day there will be DBMS lab class. Four classes have We have completed 4 classes, 8 are still left. So do with me sincerely, and I think you will be grasping it very fast. Then I'll give you an assignment which you will return to me within 2 or 3 days, and then we shall I'll finalize the marks. This will be the strategy. Okay, thanks a lot for attending. Thank you very much.